Hi everyone, welcome to SAP FICO World. Today we're going to learn about posting period variance. Posting period variant is used to maintain accounting periods that are open for posting and all closed period are balanced. This is used for opening and closing period in the fiscal year for posting purpose. You can assign these posting periods to one or more company codes. For defined posting period variant T code is OBBO. Select New Entry. Give posting period variant and text. Here I am giving posting period variant name same as my company code. Click on Save and assign posting period variant to company code. T code is OBBP. Go to Position, enter your company code and give your posting period variant name in blank field. Click on Save. Next, enter the T code OB52 for open and close posting periods. Click on New Entry, give posting period variant name already we define in OBBO. Next, select account type. Here I am taking plus symbol for all accounting types instead of assets, customer, vendor, GL accounts and contract accounts.
One to 12 is normal posting periods. From 13 to 16 periods are special periods for extension of 12th period. Click on Save. Today we have completed this 3 topics. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more videos.